Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ahmad Rifai. I'm chemistry teacher in Lab School Cibubur Senior High School, and I'm student Magister Chemistry Education University State of Jakarta. Today, I will explain my research in the topic developing students' critical thinking skills through the integration of STEAM project of environment in chemistry learning. The author is my lecturer, Mr. Sukro and Mr. Afrizal, and I'm Rifai. We from University State of Jakarta. Next, introduction. Introduction in my research: first, chemistry learning; second, molecular shape; third, environmental based STEAM project; fourth, critical thinking skills and environmental caring. Chemistry is a scientific discipline covering declarative and procedural knowledge dimensions. Learning chemistry as declarative knowledge constructs individual conceptual system through shaping and assimilation concept. An integrated curriculum can help students to see how concepts are related to each other in order to see the phenomenon occurred in their surroundings holistically. This is because integrated curriculum is taken from various disciplines, has potential to make science and mathematics learning become more meaningful and coherent for students. The learning process that can elevate students' soft skills can help them in developing their reasoning, curiosity, critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and caring for each other. STEAM. This is STEAM: science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. STEAM integration can also be environmental project-based, and this integration is expected to increase the quality of chemistry learning so that it will be easier to be accepted and taught. Also can be fun as well as nurture students' soft skills, such as their critical thinking and caring toward the environment. Many research on the employment of STEAM integration in Indonesia have been conducted, and it resulted in students' motivation and their soft skill development. This research focused on the implementation of STEAM integration in chemistry learning to develop students' critical thinking skill through environmental-based STEAM project. Next, method. This research is aimed to develop students' critical thinking skills through the integration of environmental-based STEAM project in chemistry learning. This research used qualitative methods with several interview data compilation, class observation, reflective journal, and chemistry concept tests. The stage of learning method in environmental-based STEAM project approach is shown in figure. First, teacher introduces the process of STEAM learning. Next, teacher applies the development of environmental-based STEAM in learning process and guide the students. Next, students are given opportunity to think individually to share their idea of product making that suits the learning objective. And then students are asked to discuss the solution to the problem of making the product. Next, students gather with their group to discuss the finishing of their project and write a simple project proposal. Next, each group is asked to make the realization of their decision in a project. Next, each group present their project that has been made. And then teacher discuss the result of their project and review the learning materials. In its process, teacher has an important role as facilitator while students work together collaboratively in finishing the project of creating molecules from environmentally friendly material. Next, result and discussion. The result of this research show that the integration between project-based STEAM learning and environmental in chemistry learning has developed students' critical thinking and generate their concern towards environment. This research focused on increasing student critical thinking skills and environmental caring skills. This is so that environmental-based STEM project gives opportunity to develop students' hard skills and soft skills during the chemistry teaching and learning. This is a STEM, science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. This for science, the STEM integration in shaping molecule projects, the application of molecule steps. Next, the process of making molecule step from trust found in students' daily life. Second, technology. Technology of STEM integration in shaping molecule projects, creating chemistry molecule step, and using laptop, handphone, projector, and PowerPoint as presentation media. Next, engineering. Engineering of STEM integration. This is designing the shape of molecule, assembling molecule shape, and then arranging environmentally friendly trays. Next, art. Art of STEM integration. This is decorating molecule shape based on student creativity, presenting PowerPoint as presentation material, and then making creativity media. Next, mathematics of STEM integration in shaping molecule projects, counting, informing molecule step, counting time needed to make the project, and then counting angle of the molecule being made. This is increasing student critical thinking skill. This is based on qualitative research. This is students' answer, class observation, student interview, and student reflective journal. Next, the making of molecule shape from trash decorated by student creativity. This is based on student reflective journal, and then picture about molecule shape from trash. Next, environmental caring skill. This is based on interview student, and then student answer results, increasing environmental caring skills. Conclusion. This is a conclusion my research. First, this research emphasizes that environmental-based STEM approach can be integrated to chemistry learning in real-life situation. Next, the importance of critical thinking and concern towards environment skills has been found in this research. Third, the shapes of molecule as environmental-based STEM project to overcome environmental problem occurred in Jabodetabek. Next, students have developed their critical thinking skills and creativity by implementing chemistry knowledge to solve environmental problems surrounds them. And then the challenges to integrate STEM in chemistry learning by empowering students, time, and challenges to provide learning related to chemistry concept, increasing awareness of the environment needs makes learning becomes more meaningful for their lives. Okay, there is my presentation in my paper. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.